Okay, yesterday we were doing addition with regrouping, and I had given you some sums to do in your notebooks, your arithmetic copies. I hope you've done them. Give me a thumbs up. All of you have done those sums? Very good. And page number 97, did you complete those two remaining sums that were left at the bottom in the book? Okay, you did that also. That's very good. Now, today we will learn how to add the numbers together, addition with carrying. Page number 9797. All of you open your books to 97. Page 97, children. Page number 97. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen. I'm going to show the page number 97 on the screen, and you will follow it. You're going to follow it very carefully. We'll be doing it together.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Which page number?
Page number 97. Page number 97.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I can't see the screen.
You can?
I can't see the screen.
Yeah, you can't see because I'm not sharing the screen as yet. Just wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Just now you follow in your books because some children are still joining. Some children are still joining, children. Okay, now page number 97. Look at the example which says add 39 plus 15. All of you can see in your book, add 39 plus 15. Step 1. Look at step 1. Put your finger there. Put your finger on step 1. Arrange the number in columns. Now, in the ones column, you have 9 and 5. In the tens column, you have 3 and 1. Now, come to step 2. Come to step 2 on the same page. It says add the ones. Children, remember, जब हम ऐड करते हैं तो पहले हम राइट हैंड साइड से ऐड करना शुरू करेंगे. वंस के हाउस को पहले ऐड करेंगे. We will add the ones house first, that is on the right hand side. Emma Shafridi, follow in your book, don't talk. Step 2. Look at step 2, all of you in your book. 9 ones plus 5 ones is equal to 14. 9 ones plus 5 ones is equal to 14. Now these two numbers को जब आप ऐड करेंगे तो पहले आप क्या करेंगे, जो बिग नंबर है that is 9, उसको आप अपने माइंड में रखेंगे. You will keep 9 in your mind and you will count 5 on your fingers. 9 के बाद से 5 को ऐड करेंगे. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we get 14 ones. 9 or 5 single numbers ones, we add them, we get 14. 14 means 1 10 and 4 ones. Now see the dots that are made over there for ones and tens. टेंस के आपके पास बंडल्स हैं और वंस के डॉट्स है. नाउ टेंस दे हैव शोन बंडल्स 1 2 3 4 बिकॉज जो टेंस का हाउस है उसमें हमारे पास 3 टेंस है और 1 10. 3 10 plus 1 10 makes 4 tens. That is why we have the bundle of 4 10. And once you have 14. अब 14 जो वंस के हाउस में लिखा है, वंस के हाउस में हम सिर्फ सिंगल डिजिट नंबर लिखते हैं. सो हम क्या करेंगे, 4 को वहां पर लिखेंगे और जो 1 10 है उसे हम कैरी ओवर करेंगे 10 के हाउस में. प्लीज लुक एट स्टेप 3 नाउ चिल्ड्रन. लुक एट स्टेप 3. यस भाविका.
These numbers.
भाविका पेज नंबर 97. Children, look at step 3. Now look at step 3. Step 3 में हमने क्या करा, 14 में से 4 जो सिंगल डिजिट है वंस वहां पर लिखा. 1 10 हमने कैरी ओवर करा टेंस के हाउस में रेड कलर सर्कल से. 1 वहां पर है. कैन यू ऑल सी? गिव मी अ थम्स अप. स्टेप 3, कैन यू ऑल फॉलो? ओके फाइन. Now we will add the house of tens. Now we have 3 numbers there, 1, 3 and 1. We will add all the numbers together, children. 1, then we have to open 3 fingers because we have the number 3 there, and then again 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 5. Now look at step 4. Look at step 4. Step 4 में हमारे पास आंसर आ गया 54. Got it? Now you turn the page and come to page number 98. Page number 98. Now see the first sum given there. First sum. पहले हम वंस के हाउस को ऐड करेंगे. वंस के हाउस में हमारे पास what numbers are there? We have 6 and we have 4. Shiv, now you add 6 and 4. 6 ones and 4 ones को ऐड करके बताइए what answer you will get. Put 6 in your mind and count 4 on your fingers. So we get over there 10. You put 0 down. 0 you put down in the ones house and 1 you carry over. 5 के ऊपर एक small circle है. You write 1 in that, children. Now add the tens house, Shiv. Shiv, you add the tens house. 5 plus 1.
Ma'am, page number
98. Page number 98. Yes, Shiv, give me the answer. 5 plus 1 you will get over there. Shiv, are you there? 6. Very good. So we write there 6. Have you all worked it out, children? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, good. Now Myra, you do the next sum. Myra, come on, do the next sum. 5 ones plus 6 ones. First we will add 5 ones and 6 ones. I told you one number, 5 plus 6. You keep one number in your mind. You can keep 5 in your mind. Okay? Look here, Myra. 5 in your mind and count 6 on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 5 आपके माइंड में है. Now look at ma'am. 5 आपके माइंड में है. 5 के आगे काउंट करके ये सब ऐड करना है. After 5 come 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what will you get? 11. So 1 हम लिखेंगे ones के हाउस में और 1 हम कैरी कर देंगे tens के हाउस में, the tens. Children, all of you do it. Have you done that, Myra?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you add up the numbers in the tens house. And give me the answer. 8 plus 1, what will you get? When you add 1 to any number, you get the next number. 8 plus 1 will be?
9.
9. Very good. Right over there, 9, all of you. Okay, Aban, you will do the next sum. Aban, do the next sum. Come on, count. 8 plus 7, the ones house. Add up the numbers in the ones house, Aban. 8 you keep in your mind, count 7 on your fingers. Keep 8 in your mind and count 7 on your fingers.
Ma'am, 50.
50.
Ma'am, 15.
Okay, तो 5 हम ones के हाउस में लिखेंगे और 10 जो है उसका 1 हम ऊपर लिखेंगे tens के हाउस में. Write it there, all of you. Abba, now add the tens house.
Ma'am, 4.
3 plus 1. Count on your fingers. Don't look at your parents. Count on your fingers. 3 plus 1.
Ma'am, 4.
4. Okay, right over there for all of you. Okay, now the next sum. Next sum, you have another number there in the tens house. We have another number there. So let's count and do it together. First we add the ones house. First we add the ones house. Come on, work it out. I'll see if I can share the screen and show it to you. In the meantime, you work it out.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, 10.
Okay. Now you all can see the screen that I'm sharing. So let's do it together. We have 7 plus 3. That makes it 10. So I write over here 0 and 1 I carry over on top.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 80.
Okay, we put over there 1. We put 1 on top. Then we add the tens house. 6 plus 1 is 7. plus 1, 8. So your answer comes to 8080. All of you have got it? Give me a thumbs up.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, screen नहीं आ रही है.
Yes, child, the screen is not coming. Let me try again. Let's work out the next sum. 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9. Count on your fingers. Keep one number in your mind. The ones house.
Ma'am, पहले में क्या लिखना था?
Add करके आंसर लिखना है. 7 plus 3 is 10. 0 we write down in the ones house. 1 goes on top.
One's house में 7 लिख रहा है.
Ones house में 7 plus 3 10 होता है, तो 0 लिखेंगे और 1 ऊपर टेंस के हाउस में जाएगा बेटे. फिर 6 plus 1 plus 1 makes it 8.
Okay. Ma'am, 85.
Next answer comes to 85. Very good. So you are following addition with carrying. These sums are called addition with carrying. We carry over one number on top. Now let's move to the next one.
Ma'am, दूसरा वाला.
Yes.
The
next one is 8 ones, 6 ones, and the other side we have 1 10, 4 10. Come on, work it out. Abdul Rahman, give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, solve that sum. 8 in your mind, 4 on your fingers.
8
in your mind, 4 on your fingers.
54.
First you count and tell me the ones house. Your answer comes to 8 plus 6 comes to
4.
14. So we put 4 down and we carry over 1 to the 10th house. Now you add to 10th house. Yes.
Ma'am, 14.
Okay, 14. You put 4 down in the ones column and 1 we carry there. So we add up all the numbers in the tens house and your answer comes to 6. So the answer is 64. Very good. That's right. Okay, Emma Shafridi, the next sum.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the next sum. 7 plus 3, 7 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. Come on, show me 3 fingers. 7 mind में रखेंगे. 3 आप fingers पे count करिए. Come on, show me. I want to see you counting. Don't look at mummy. 7 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. 7 के बाद count करिए. Show me 3 fingers. Emma, 3 fingers. Yes. 7 आपके mind में है. 3 आपने fingers पे दिखाया, उसको add करिए. 7 के बाद क्या आएगा? 8, 9, 10.
10.
Yes. So you write 0 in the ones house. Ones के house में 0 लिखेंगे और 1 को ऊपर tens के house में carry करेंगे. Come on, do that. Now you add up all the numbers in the tens house. You have 1, then you have 2, and again you have 2. So you open those many fingers. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are you going to write in the tens house? 5. So the answer comes to 50. Children, all of you have got it? Give me a thumbs up if you got it. Aishuka, Myra, yes? Got it? Very good. That's nice. Moving to the next sum. Manvi, the next sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Manvi, come on. 8 ones, 7 ones, 8 in the mind, 7 on your fingers.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, count. Let's see what you get over there.
8 plus 7.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15. Very good. So we write 5 in which house?
Hmm.
In the
One
ones
house.
house. Ones house. Very good. And we carry over 1 to the tens house.
Tenth house.
Yes. Now add up all the numbers in the tens house, Manvi.
3 plus 4. 8, ma'am.
3 plus 1 that you have carried over, that makes it 4. And another 4, that makes it 8. Very good. Write it there, 8. Okay, that's good. Now, Shanavar, the next sum. Put your camera on, Shanavar, first of all. Your camera is off.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, solve the next sum. 6 ones, 8 ones. Keep 6 in your mind. Put 6 in your mind and count 8 on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 माइंड में है, उसके आगे काउंट करेंगे. 6 के बाद 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what do you write over there?
14.
14 पूरा लिखेंगे कि सिर्फ 4 लिखेंगे वंस के हाउस में?
1 के हाउस में लिखना है 1 और 4.
1 के हाउस में हम सिर्फ 4 लिखेंगे और जो 1 है उसको हम कैरी ओवर करेंगे क्योंकि वो टेंस के हाउस का है. उसको हम टेंस के हाउस में ऊपर जो छोटा सर्कल है उसमें लिखेंगे. राइट ओवर देयर 1, Shanavar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, write 1 there. Now you add up all the numbers in the tens house. पहले क्या है? 1 है, उसके बाद 4 है, so 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4. उसके बाद 2 है, so 2 fingers. अब ये सारे नंबर्स को साथ में काउंट करके देखेंगे कि कितने हैं वहां पर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write over there, Shanavar.
7.
7.
Excuse me,
Very
ma'am.
good. Yes, Ashwika.
मैंने पूरा कंप्लीट कर लिया.
Okay, very good. Then give me the answer to the last sum. 9 plus 5.
9. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैंने पूरा कंप्लीट कर दिया.
Very good. Yes, Ashwika, the last sum. Give me the answer. 9 plus 5. Very good.
मैंने भी कर लिया.
Good. Okay, 9 plus 5. 14. You put 4 down, 1 on top. And 10 down.
74.
Okay.
मैम मैंने भी कर लिया.
1 plus 2 is 3.
मैम
Plus
मैंने
5,
कर लिया.
8. So the answer is 84. That's right.
मैम 84.
84, right, that's right. So all of you have finished with that page now. Today I will be sending you some more sums. You'll do them and keep practicing these sums in your register, children. Very important. Rough register mein keep practicing it so that you are thorough with it. And your mental maths, very important. Alright, so with that we come to the end of your maths period. Thank you. We'll meet again in the next period.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.